Hey guys, it's Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. Today we're learning how to do the Icelandic bind off. You can see here it's got a really nice edge to it. Looks great with this garter stitch shawl. Okay, I'm going to start by inserting my right needle tip into the first stitch purlwise under this front leg. And then I'm going to knit the second stitch. So I'm going to go in knitwise into that stitch. Yarn over, pull that yarn through, and then I'm going to slide both stitches off. Then I'll slip that stitch back onto the left needle. Keeping it there, I can knit the second stitch again and slide both off. Slip that stitch back on, knit the second stitch. It can be a little bit tricky to get it there through, and then slide both off. Okay, after you bind off on the last stitch here, you can go ahead and pull up a long loop and cut your yarn. Okay, and there you have it. The Icelandic bind off looks really great with this garter stitch shawl here. It's a little bit stretchy and a little bit decorative because it has a thicker edge to it.